Guys, if you would have bought $1,000 in Shiba Inu Coin on January 31st, 2021, have you ever wondered how much you would have by now? Hi there and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the coin that has been booming right now, and that is Shiba Inu. We are going to study about its chart, its technical data, Twitter account, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to watch more of such videos. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. This is the website of Shiba Token. You can access it by going to shibatoken.com. So basically, it's a decentralized meme token that evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. They have SHIB, Leash, Bone 3 tokens and Shiba Swap as well, where you can exchange currencies. And if you would like to buy a Shiba Inu token, all you have to do is go to binance.com, create yourself an account and purchase Shiba Inu. If you want to purchase Shiba Inu from Binance, please check the link in the description box below. As per the website, Shiba Inu has a supply of 1 quadrillion and the founder Ryoshi locked 50% in Uniswap and then burned the other half to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping. And to help reverse the devastating spread of COVID-19 in India, Vitalik has since utilized Shiba in the largest crypto donation in the history and then actually burned 40% of its total supply to a dead wallet, ensuring long-term success and stability. Also, SHIB, Leash, Bone come together to create Shiba Swap, which is the next evolution in DeFi platforms, and Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig, bury, swap tokens to gain WOOF return through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. And the platform also allows Shiba Army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers to make navigating the crypto world simple and intuitive. And this is the Twitter page of Shiba, and currently it has a following of 1.9 million, which is absolutely crazy. And of course that is expected because this token literally went to the moon in the past few days. So it is becoming quite popular, and also they're working on quite different type of projects, which makes this a better project than Dogecoin in comparison. So definitely check out their Twitter page, follow them to stay updated as well. And this is the CoinGecko listing of Shiba Inu. Currently it is priced at 0.5085, and over the past year the returns have been crazy. I mean, sometimes you kind of have to zoom out to take a look at how a coin has performed and you're just blown by its potential. So that's almost 6 million%, which really blows my mind. Here is the latest article I found where this warehouse manager put $8,000 on Shiba Inu Coin and he made millions after that, and he's planning to retire soon. So coming back to our question, if you would have bought just $1,000 of Shiba Inu Coin in January 9 months ago, you would have approximately 200k plus. And that literally blows my mind about how crazy the rally has been. So that's a little bit about it. I do feel this project has a lot of potential and it's just the beginning. There's a lot more things that are yet to come. So I'm really excited to see how everything turns out. Please check the links in the description box below to stay updated. If you want to buy Shiba Inu Coin, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. So check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.